Hey everybody, welcome back to the underground lair of Stringman guitars. We have ourselves on the bench a Gibson, I believe the year is 2000 if I'm reading the serial number correctly, SG Classic. It had about a ham sandwich worth of relief on it, so I came down this evening and put the wrench in. Put about a half a turn of wrench into it. Let's take a look at this guitar and see what we got to deal with. Alright, let's see what our relief looks like now. Taper it first. Go with the 17th fret. 3, 5, 7. That's a whole lot closer. Alright, so let's start from there. Check our string height. We want to check at the 12th. We want 5,000ths or 5/64ths, and we're a bit over that. And we want 3/64ths here, and we're a bit over that. So let's drop the saddle a bit. Okay, we got 5 there, and we're splitting the line on 4/64ths. So I've got to tune it up again. And of course this is all before we change the strings. These are 10s that are on here. Okay, let's roll with that for now. I can always adjust it a little bit later. The other thing is the back of the, I get to use my Gibson. Let me find it. It's been a while. There it is. Highly engineered piece of equipment. I bought it from StuMac for $28.99. It's a piece of paper that if this sneaks under the bridge or under the string above the bridge, then the stop bar is set correctly, and the strings are laying on the back of the bridge, so the stop bar has to come up. So let's fix that. We need a cloth so we don't gooch the material. That one's my one that I'm least worried about. This side's tamped all the way down. Let's take a peek at what that did. Oh yeah. Okay. This could actually probably go back down. Oh no. Okay, it's fitting under there, so it's clear. So let's go ahead and check to make sure it makes the kind of sounds we want to make. I.e. no bad electronic sounds emanating from the guitar. A little bit of scratchiness in the pots. Guys, when you get a guitar, use the controls. That's what they're there for. If you don't use them, they will get noisy. Alright, so I'm going to pop the back off and just clean those controls. It's no big deal, everything's in one spot. So I'm going to go ahead and take the strings off, clean the fingerboard, polish these frets. Alright, so we got fingerboard oiled with some F1, and I'm going to use this special container of water-soluble powdered water to clean the headstock from all the goop that's on there. Wow, these tuner bushings are really loose too. Otherwise, it looks in really good shape for being 13 years old. Wow, those are like just, somebody just threaded them on. Every time you change your strings, boys and girls, tighten your tuning machines. Have to polish the frets. We're going to go to 1500 to 6000. Alright, so how do you keep the stop bar from moving when you put the strings on your Tune-O-Matic bridge with the stop bar? Mr. Pen pink erasers. You slide underneath there, you put a piece of tape on, ain't going nowhere. This is a Nashville bridge. There's great debate on the internet as to which way the screw adjustment screws go. For me, the Epiphones, I think, go forward. On the Gibsons, they go back towards the stop bar. It doesn't really matter. You're going to do your intonation anyhow. So how do I string a guitar? I string it by setting my tuners on the bass side at 1 and 7, and on the treble side I set it at 11 and 5. And I do that so that, make sure you're in the saddle, so I can make a Z. You can see that Z right there. Right there. That locks the string in place, so you don't have to worry about it bouncing around or coming unwound while you're trying to wind it. A little bit of guitar grease, graphite paste if you will. Just a little bit goes a long way, and it keeps your guitar from slipping out of tune. So here we go. We're going to wrap underneath the hole. And I don't use power winders on these Gibson tuner machines or any Cluson style, because it tends to pull the gears the wrong way too easily, and for the few extra minutes that it takes, just do it this way. Save yourself some headaches. Shout out to Yo Bentley. Got your sticker right here, buddy. It's 55 guitars. What does it say? Play better, sound better, have more fun. All right. Intonation's looking good. That's a little sharp. That saddle can go back a little bit. Need our tiny flathead screwdriver to do that. Moving, it's sharp, so we're moving it that way. That should be better. There we go. Good. Now providing the bow of the neck or the relief hasn't changed. Okay, we're good there. Then we should be done. Let's hope that we're done. 17th fret, 12th thou, wipe it off. Ah, it's fitting in there beautifully. Okay, pick up height. See what that looks like. That's good. That's good. Oh, on the wrong thing. Still good. Still good. Okay. That can come up. That can come up. There's two ways to adjust your P90s here. Here, 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 or in this case, they're under the pick guard. That's perfect. That's perfect. Suction pig goes wherever a suction pig goes. There it is. Let's see if we can date these pots. Original Gibson pots. Oh, these pots were put in 08. 33108. Just want to touch the contacts. Immediately that feels better. Spray this in the hole a little bit. Capacitor's in the way. Thanks, Gibson. Alright, I looked down and seen on my phone that the camera stopped recording. It was busy or something. What kind of crap is that, Panasonic? So I was in the middle of saying, I don't know if you saw me cleaning the pots. We cleaned the pots. Notice the back of this Get Fiddle looked a little bit grungy. Oh man, is that so much better. It's got a little chunk down here, which you'll see when I flip back over. And man, is this cleaned up nice. Yeah, buddy. And look just how polished those frets are. And no grinding. Yeah, boy. Alright, so what we do? Cleaned the fingerboard, oiled the fingerboard, polished the frets up to 6,000 grit. Restrung with Ernie Ball 10 to 46. Made sure that the strings are off the back of the saddle. Set the string height for 5/64, set to 12th, and a hair over 3/64 on the treble side. Cleaned the pots. Oh yeah, the other thing I want to do is get my crackle killer. You can use these lots of times because they're absorbent. They just clean the oxidation. That's what the black stuff is on here. Off your output jack. So put it in, take it out, turn it, repeat. And it should just be super fancy now. That is nice. Let's plug it in and take her on the block. Anymore. No noise in the switch no more. Nothing like Gibson sustain. Alright everybody, thank you for joining us down here in the underground lair where we made this Gibson SG Classic play better than it did before. Thought it was a 2000, it's 2008. If you would like your guitar brought up to par and you're in the greater Pittsburgh area, send me an instant message on the Facebooks and we'll get you in here. Not a very big waiting list. I only have one after this one. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I would certainly appreciate it. Take care of the old folks because they're special. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. And most of all, you have yourself a great day. Peace.